I'm Eric Wilbur. I'm the chairman of the board for Love Where You Live Shirts, a local nonprofit here in Shirts that helps people with their homes. So today we're working in the North Cliff neighborhood of Shirts, and we're going to work on about 45 homes today, just helping people do stuff. We'll have somewhere in the neighborhood of 250 volunteers doing that. And again, we're mowing their lawns, weed eating their lawns, trimming trees, trimming bushes, doing some minor home maintenance and repair on fences and their homes, a little bit of electrical and plumbing work as well. So many of the people that we serve are very isolated, and there's really not a resource for them to seek help. And so the city can't do it. A church alone, one church alone can't do it. So that's why we bring a consortium of churches. We bring a consortium of private organizations to come together to help people. And they're silent many times about their needs. And so as a result, there's just nobody else that's able to do what we do to help these folks with their homes. So I just want to thank the volunteers that come out at our events to help us, again, love on people, love the people in our community, love the neighbors that we're called to love, as Jesus said, love your neighbor as yourself. And so I just want to thank them for coming out. And again, thank an organization that has supported us significantly, the San Antonio Council for Alcohol, Drug, and Awareness. That organization has funded us with both equipment and projects. So we just give a big shout out to Cicada, who's a huge supporter of ours, and we want to thank them as well for supporting our organization.